we have the makings of a very quick, good peach cobbler. I have approximately 5 cups of peaches that I'm letting sit and let the juices do their thing. And into that, I'm going to be putting a cup of sugar. And I'm going to be putting it on the stove and cooking it. And for the topping, I have a cup of flour, cup of sugar, and a cup of milk. Everything is a cup except the peaches. And okay, I also put a little bit of lemon in with the peaches. It kind of enhances the flavor of the peaches. I feel it does. So I also have my pans that I'm going to get. So to prepare the peaches, I'm just going to put the sugar in. And by the way, I use cane sugar, which you can use whatever you want. And I'm going to get that stirred over and start cooking it. Getting ready to be packed or is packed. Most of you know I'm getting ready to move. So anyway, working with what I have, but you most certainly could use a large baking pan. You wouldn't have to divide up the butter. It just takes 1 stick of butter. And I'll be putting it in the oven very shortly. And I'll bring it back. Okay, I'll be preparing the crust for the peach cobbler. Of course, I have my cup of milk there, but I won't be using it until I get ready to pour it in the pan because of, you know, the activation. And you see my peaches are cooking and getting lots and lots of nice peach juice, which is what we want. Okay, so I'm going to get the topping mixed up really good and wait for the butter. See, I've got the butter in the oven, and when it gets good and melted and hot, oh yeah, it's coming along nice. I'll bring you back. Okay, I got my pans out, and I'm ready to mix up my topping. So this is going to be tough one-handed. So, there we are. Peaches are still cooking. So, yeah, this just couldn't get easier. It really couldn't. So, if you have a way of obtaining some peaches, or, you know, you come across a few at the market, don't be afraid to make this. Look how simple. And yes, I will bring you back when it's ready to be served. And when I get this made, I'll come back. Okay, I went ahead and poured the batter into the pans, and I'm getting ready to put the peaches. They look done. And we're going to put it together. And it seems like I could have mixed the batter better. But I told you, I'm in the fast this morning. I want the fast, easiest way today. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to dot these peaches around all through. Hopefully, don't get them all in one spot. But I like, you know, this is a lot of peaches, and I love it that way. I like the more peaches, the better. So, okay, these go in the oven now. Yeah, you want every bite to have peaches. These go in the oven for, let's see, 375 for right around, I'd say 35, 40 minutes till the top is golden brown. And we shall see. I'll bring you back. And there we have it. And I did not wait for it to cool. I just cut it. Now I'm going to try it. Bite. You first. There you go. Oh, wow. Fast and easy. Oh, and it tastes divine. Oh, wow. I highly recommend this. You could top this with ice cream and whipped cream. But, oh my goodness, why? It's over the top as it is. Thanks for watching. Elegant Homestead. Have a great day.